Okay, so simply what you need to do is just head over to your browser. Once you're inside your browser, just simply search up create.roblox.com and make sure this is right. And once you do this, make sure you're logged in into your Roblox account that you're playing. Once this is done, just simply go to your creations. Inside creations, it will show you this, but you just got to choose one of your experiences. So I'm just going to choose this one right over here. And here, as you can see, if I press on open in new tab, it's just going to open it up. And right over here, you'll see the overview of the place. And you're just going to scroll down a bit until you see the option of monetization. Just go ahead and press on overview after that. Once you do that, it will show you the overview of that. But you don't want to actually go inside deeper in it. You just need to go to passes. And once inside passes here, as you can see, I already have some passes, but you just need to go ahead and press on create a pass. And right over here, just gotta name the pass and let's type in something like this and give it a description if you'd like to, and then create pass. Once the pass has been created here, as you can see, this is the pass right over here. Just press on these three dots right over here and then press on open new tab. Once you do this, it will open this up. Now you can just press on sales. Once you press on sales here, as you can see, now you just need to press on item for sale and give this item a price. Let's say I'm just going to give it for 210 and press save, enable your regional pricing and then press save changes. Once this is done here, as you can see, it says pass updated successfully. So just need to make sure once all this is done, open up Roblox. Roblox is open. Just go to please donate. And yeah, just simply wait for please donate to open up. And here we go. Now you just need to go ahead and open up a stall for yourself, just like this one. If I claim it, and here we go. And here, as you can see, this is the one that I've created. And yeah, people can now donate to you and you've created a game pass. And yeah, hope you find it useful. I'll see you soon.